Okay, so today let's revise a very simple but very important topic, null point. So what is null point? Null point is the point at which the electric field strength E will become zero. So how is this electric field strength becoming zero? Let's say there are multiple charges, and because of the multiple charges, how can we find the electric field strength? By using superposition principle. So we will take the sum of effect of each charge separately, and because of that, at a particular point, if the electric field strength becomes zero, that point is called null point. Okay, and the null point will always be near the smaller charge. If there are two charges and one is smaller, then the null point will always be nearer the small charge, and because of this only we can eliminate options. Okay, now let's go to equations. Consider two charges, Q1 is equal to Q, Q2 is equal to NQ. That is, Q2 is n times larger than Q1, and they are both are of same sign. And distance between them is D. Then the null point will, if the null point is x distant from the smaller charge, then this x will be equal to D by root of n plus 1, where D is the distance between both charges and n is the number of times Q2 is bigger than Q1. Okay, x is equal to D by root of n plus 1, and this null point will be between the two charges or inside this region. Okay, this null point will be between the two charges. Now what happens when charges are opposite? Q1 is equal to Q, Q2 is equal to minus NQ. Here also the equation is very similar, but one important thing to notice is the null point will not be inside this region. It will be outside, and it will be near to the smaller charge. And now the distance between null point and the smaller charge is x is equal to D by root of n minus 1. Root of here, when it was same charges, it was root of n plus 1. When it was different charges, it is root of n minus 1. And let's do a simple thing. What if Q1 is equal to Q2 or Q1 is equal to minus Q2? Then what will happen? X is equal to root of D by root n minus 1. Here what is n? N is equal to 1, as the magnitude of charges are equal. Then what will happen? Q is equal to D by 1 minus 1, that is infinity or not defined. What is this case? Q1 is equal to minus Q2. Let's say this is Q and this is minus Q. What is this? This is a dipole. So what does this mean? This means that for a dipole, there is no null point. Okay? For a dipole, there will be no null point. Understood, right? Thank you.